Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Japanese Chicken Katsu Curry, instant style. It tastes just like the restaurant. Try it, and it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the chickens into two. Don't worry if the chicken size is not even. Use the back of the knife to knock the chicken. This is to resize the meat to even size and tenderize the meat. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, black pepper and garlic powder for each side of the chicken. Using a dry hand, put the chicken into the flour and shake off any excess. Using a wet hand, drown the chicken into a beaten egg. Then into the breadcrumbs. Make sure to press the chicken down so that the crumbs will stick on the chicken. Do the same for another piece. Peel off the skin of the carrots. Remove the head and end. Chop them while turning the carrots. Peel the skin of the potatoes. Cut them into half and then into 6 pieces. Remove the head and base of the onion and peel off the skin. And cut them into half. Remove the core, then slice them thinly. All done for the ingredients. Add in half cup of oil in a pot. Put the onions in and stir. Stir them until the onions start to turn soft. Then add in the carrots and potatoes. Add in 2.5 cups of water. This depends on the paste you are using. Let it cook for around 10 minutes. Around 8 minutes, you can actually check the ingredients to see whether they are cooked. So when the ingredients are cooked, add in the paste. It's better to break the paste apart so they can dissolve faster. Add in some cornstarch solution a bit at a time when the sauce is too dilute, and the sauce is ready. At medium heat, add in 1.5 cup of oil. Throw in some breadcrumbs to see if the oil is ready. Small bubbles will be formed. Add in the chickens. My chicken is big, so I fry it in 2 batches. Cook each side for around 2.5 minutes. Use a fork to poke through the meat to see if it's cooked. Do the same for another piece. At this time, you can prepare a plate of rice. And now for the egg, which is optional. At high heat, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the beaten egg and keep moving the egg. And once it's 90% done, turn off the heat. Immediately pour the egg over the rice. Put the chicken on top and pour the curry at the side. And it's done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!